everyone, my name is Daniel. Today we are doing the Mizo alphabet and also we are doing English money, and this is the day. Keep watching till the end of the series, and we all know I'm going to beat my brother. Thanks for watching this, and we hope this is going to be a good training session. Let's explain to you our English money.
Danielan English money te min explain sak don ani heng how hi kan poisa te anoi hi kan langa ema hei atlang kan nei te ania chuan engpo ni se Danielan min han explain sak plom ro sele le Daniel.
This is 1p and the colour is bronze.
What is the smallest?
This is got the smallest value out of all of these.
Okay.
This is 2p. This has the second smallest value out of all of them, and the colour is brown. This is 5p, and this is silver. This is 10p, and this is silver. This is 20p, and this is silver. And this is £1, and this is equivalent to 100 rupees.
Okay.
And this is £2. Double £1, so this will be 200 rupees. And this is £5, equivalent to 500 rupees.
That is the small, the
This is
smallest
the
in the
note in England. This is £10. The second smallest note in England, and this is equivalent to 1,000 rupees. And for the biggest, this is £20, and this is equivalent to 2,000 rupees.
Thank you very much, Daniel. Do you have any other notes?
Well, there is some other notes in the world.
No, I mean in England. Do you have any other notes?
No.
£50.
A £50 note. But it's so rare we don't have it, so.
Okay, heng how hi kan poisa no kan poisa how te anya. He hi copper anya, he mi te pan hi copper anya, adang how zong hi chu silver anya. Poisa no hi kan la ak cheu thina ni kan la nga em poisa no hi he a value lut dana zerin kan ron tilanga ni. Chuanin he hi te 5p hi ate bera, the smallest one 5p, but the smallest value is 1 penny. Hey, naya khat naya ni, naya nga, naya som ni, naya som nga, 1 pound, 2 pound, 5 pound, 10 pound, and 20 pound. Ti ani a, chuan a paper hi ka englo chiang khan rubber plastic ania, chuan heng how hi kan English money te chu an ni a, chuan 50 pound kan nei a note si ma se awang lu tuka chuwang chuanin kan hu mei lo Joshua le Daniel te po hian an hu po kala shelo chuwang chuanin kan lo tilang thei lo ani 50 pound chu awang lu tuk chuan heti zong hi kan poisa a value India poisa value le a lem kan ron ti lan thei te chu ani a. Thank you for your explain, Daniel.
You're welcome. I hope you liked how I explained the English money. Now me and Joshua are going to do the alphabet. Hi!
Ale? A, B, tiraw le? Tijing da ulek la?
R
O Ole
Ole
B
B
Bong
Bong
So
Chem
D
D
Đầm đồi
Đồi
E
M
F
F
Phẳng Ma
X
Rẹt
Rẹt
N
N
Ngun
H
H
Ha
E
E
J
J
Jacket
K
Kèo
L
Lôi
Loi.
M
Mai
My
N
No
O
Olive
P
P
Phẳng Ma
R
Rule S Sai
Sai
T
Thầu
Thầu.
Trinh trọng
Tring chang. Guitar tina. Úi. Úi.
Vọng
Zong
Abu tren tile ra le? Yeah.
Suy về tiểu
Nang manin han soy vet te wati khan tile ra le?
Cho Chem Đi Đầm Đồi E M F
Phẳng Ma
Egg
Greg
Bread N
Ngun.
H Ha
Ha.
In I
Jacket
Jacket
K
Kel L Lối
Loi.
M
Mai
N Nồi
Nau. Kap tina.
Olive
P
P Pangpa
Pangpar flower tina.
Rule
Rule.
S
Salt
Sai.
T
Thầu
Thầu.
T
Tree.
Trinh trọng
Tring chang.
U
Úi V
Vlog
Z
Zong
Yeah. Nang mani in han soy vet te uatin ya han soy te le.
A O B Cho D E Egg Egg N H E J K L M N O R S T T U V Z
Oh, well done. Invan thiab. Tu na hian an ziak chindo ni avoi khatna tan. Eh. Tu ngay ming.
What does your name start with? D Egg twat
P zawng e.
P O wait. A S C
Daniel.
A U A V Z.
Yay! Well done in Văn Thiam. Em. Oh, अब जब चुप लियान em về जे चुप को मौका इन चिनी जा. An ziak sin em kopa. Oh, very good, very good.
Chaw.
No, there is chaw.
Mom, I saw chaw.
C and H.
He said CHAW.
Joe. Oh, that's good. That is a word. You write down the words. Hey, Joshua, he football akal do na chubang chuan in kan man mo dewa se.
I think we've done a big improvement today. Thank you everyone for your support. Keep watching, like and subscribe, and bye.